Good morning, all of you. How's your life? I hope your life is going very well. Today, we will discuss about the importance of breathing. Breathing is very important for us to live because we all know without breathing we cannot survive. But most of the people don't know effective breathing improves our functioning of different systems like cardiovascular system, respiratory system, and keeps us away from the different diseases mostly related to the heart and lungs like heart attack, sinus, high blood pressure, etc. And we know nutrients are distributed to our whole body through digestive system, and to improve digestive system we should eat healthy food. In the same way, oxygen are distributed in our whole body through respiratory system, and to improve our respiratory system we should do breathing exercise daily. If we include all these activities, all these good habits in our routine from an early stage, then our life would be more easy and healthier, so that any type of virus like corona could not affect us. So today we will learn how to strengthen our inner organs with breathing exercises. We should do these breathing exercises with empty stomach or 4 hours after you have eaten. Morning time is the best time for the breathing exercises, but you should do these breathing exercises twice a day, morning and evening.
Today we will do most common and important 3 breathing exercises. Okay, for breathing exercises, first we have to sit on floor or any hard surface, and we can use yoga mat, blanket or any soft bed sheet. We have 3 sitting poses which are mostly used. First is Padmasana. In Padmasana, you have to fold both legs on both thighs and fold your hand in front of you or put your hand on your knees. Your back and neck should be straight, means your spinal cord should be aligned. Second is Ardha Padmasana. If Padmasana is difficult for you, then you can do Ardha Padmasana. In this, fold your one leg on the other leg and back and neck should be straight. Third is Sukhasana. Sukhasana is very easy because ये हम रूटीन में फॉलो करते हैं. रूटीन में हम ऐसे ही आसन में बैठते हैं, जैसे आप पालथी मारकर बैठते हैं वो सुखासन है. सुखासन में हम काफ़ी देर तक बैठ सकते हैं, बट इसमें भी आपकी बैक और नेक स्ट्रेट रहेगी. अगर आपको कोई इंजरी है, कोई प्रॉब्लम है और आप किसी भी आसन में ऐसे नहीं बैठ सकते तो आप चेयर पे भी बैठ सकते हैं, बट आपकी बैक और नेक फिर भी स्ट्रेट होगी. और अगर आप बैठने में भी असमर्थ हैं, यानी आप बैठ भी नहीं सकते, ज़्यादा बीमार हैं, तो आप लेटकर भी ब्रीदिंग एक्सरसाइजेस कर सकते हैं.